Boom, let's go. 3.5 billion reasons to sell on Amazon. I'm just going to leave this here. Amazon says that third-party sellers made more than $3.5 billion from Prime Day this year in October. That's a lot of zeros. Here's that number written out. Holy crap. If every one of Amazon's 2.5 million active sellers split up that revenue evenly, that would be $1,400 to every Amazon seller in one day. But obviously, earnings are not distributed evenly. This isn't a Ponzi scheme. Let's talk about the key points from the article because those are even crazier. Here we go. Key point number one. Amazon sellers increased their sales on Prime Day 60% from last year. This is even crazier than it seems for a few reasons. A, Prime Day got rescheduled like 5 times this year. Remember, we had this Corona thing? No one knew what was happening, and there wasn't even 1/4 of the same amount of marketing that Amazon normally does for it. Normally, you see ads all over the place for Prime Day. B, 60% is a big number for 1 year. Growing any part of any business by 60% in a year would be a record for the majority of businesses in the world. So what caused this? Let's just underline this. COVID. If your grandma wasn't shopping on Amazon before this, she is now. And she's not going to stop. Newsflash for you. The Amazon brand is becoming bigger than any other in the online world. Prime Day really accentuates this dominance. Think about it. What other business is able to create their own holiday out of thin air and generate this type of revenue from it? Hint, it's the only business that can dominate 50% of retail sales in the US, and its name is Amazon. Key point number 2, third-party seller sales grew more than Amazon sales. This is where it gets really funny, okay? Here are the things we know to be true, right? We all know this. Number 1, Amazon is dominating the world. Number 2, everyone is shopping on Amazon. Number 3, COVID has sped that all up drastically. Now, read that key point above again. Okay, ready? Reading it again. Third-party seller sales grew more than Amazon sales. Okay, go ahead and dig a grave. Get your shovel out and dig a grave for everyone who has said that selling on Amazon is a scam. Selling on Amazon isn't a real way to make money. Seriously, get your shovel out and dig them a nice, deep grave because those opinions need to be buried and sealed up forever. Here's the truth. Amazon would be nothing without third-party sellers. Nothing. They literally said it themselves in the press release that they quoted above. Here, I'll be an Amazon spokesperson for a second, okay? Ready? I'm on my podium. Whew, I got my speech. Press release time. Hello, everyone. We would like to let you know that we have won. We are dominant. You all are using us, and your grandma and your mother and her mother is using us too. Ha ha, ha 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 ha. Also, side note, our third-party sellers' sales are going up faster than our own sales. Have a nice day. That's literally what Amazon is saying in its own press releases, maybe not with my awesome lingo. Here, I just wanted to write you this letter today for one reason and one reason only. Be encouraged. Amazon literally can't afford to stop supporting third-party sellers. They need them desperately as they are growing even faster than Amazon's own brands. They need you and me and Taylor and all the people here at 9 University to keep providing value to their marketplace. There is no way in hell, at least for the foreseeable future, that Amazon can provide the wealth and the diversity of products that make Amazon great unless they keep cultivating sellers like me and you. And when a company as massive as Amazon literally needs me and you, there's a big opportunity for us to get our slice of that $2 trillion business. Until tomorrow, guys, I'll see you soon. Kale. If you are watching this YouTube video, that means that you are not subscribed, possibly, to the 9 University newsletter. Every day we send this out to 10,000 plus Amazon sellers, and we teach them how to better sell on Amazon and how to better invest their money in this crazy world we live in. Click on the link below, subscribe to it right now, and you will get this every day and in your podcast app. See you tomorrow. Peace.